Hey guys, I'm Kyle with Aluminess Products. We're here today to introduce a new product. It's the rear door backpack, and it's a product that can really grow with your lifestyle. You can run a full kitchen out of the back. You can do recovery gear like we have set up here, and it still allows you to mount your bikes and those storage boxes that you've come to know and love. Alright, so we'll just jump right in. I want to kind of give you guys a rundown on the tech specs of this. So the backpack actually mounts directly to our base unit, and that base unit mounts to the vehicle itself. So it is no drill required. It still works with the 270-degree hinge and the 180-degree hinge. And so that backpack, like I said, mounts directly to the base unit. So the backpack itself is made out of a 1/4-inch heat-treated aluminum. We have a bunch of holes and slots cut out, and it still works with our bike and box system. So you can still run, your 2 bikes as well as a full-size deluxe or galley box. The spacing, so the actual spacing on the backpack is every 4 inches, which actually matches the L-Track. So you can still run L-Track and give yourself even more possibility with that. And the other thing that we've done with those slots is we've incorporated a oversized hole in the leading edge of that. And what that is we call it the front loader. So it allows you to actually load products from the front of your backpack and slide it over, and it self-tightens. So you use a carriage bolt to slide it in from the front, slide it over, tighten it up, and you're good to go. So not only are we releasing the backpack itself, we're also coming out with a whole suite of new products, such as our all-new Expedition Pro Kit, 2 or 4 gallon Rotopax mounts, a MaxTrax mount, drop-down tables, propane tank mount, and many more. You can still mount bikes to the back. You can even mount skis or snowboards. Alright guys, we're super excited about this new product line for you. If you want to see more videos and see more cool stuff from Aluminess, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and always follow us on Instagram. Thanks.